Hey guys, we're gonna do a video where I'm gonna take apart a Xbox 360 controller. Well, not take apart, but just see what's inside. I copied this from Astro Skull, and yeah, let's get into it. Hold on, let me break this a couple times. And my brother's with me. Look, I just got a new haircut, and so did he. It's all the way to the back, his mohawk. Okay, now I'm gonna start smashing this. There's not really, this is hard to break, cause, hold on. You do?
Mm-hmm.
What do you have? Can I see it?
It is really bad. It might not.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry. My brother, he has something in his foot probably because he stepped on, like, right there, like that gray part, like, see? Ow! It's really, it's back. Okay, so, so I don't know what this circular part is right there.
That's the part that makes it move around.
I think it's like the vibration thing.
No. Vibrations are more in the middle.
What? Oh.
This is the thing that makes that move around. Here, I'll open it up now.
Yeah, my brother's gonna open it up now.
Don't do this at home.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do this at home. Like, don't smash it or anything. Unless you're, like, raging really bad. Okay, he opened it. Yeah, give me it.
No, I'm still opening that. Oh, God.
How long is it? Eli, just...
No, it's really.
I just got a haircut. It's, like, really itchy. You know, like, when you get a haircut, like, the hair gets, like, itchy on your neck. Okay. So, yeah. There's some, like, green... If you guys could see this, it's like a green...
That's inside there. If you look inside there, there's green stuff.
See that green thing? It's, like, on top of the, I don't know, like, board or something. There's not really a lot of stuff inside of it, unless you, like, go, like, really far back. So, I'm just gonna smash a little bit more. Oh, wait, hold on. In the wrong position. Oh, crap. Let's see which one. That was, like...
That was the shop choices.
That was LB and RB. My dad's right there.
That was just LB.
No, LB, RB. Oh, wait. RB got pushed in pretty bad. I'm just gonna do the back, see if there's like, oh look, there's some more of that, like those codes stuff. I don't know how like people do that, but like how they make controllers.
Okay,
I mean,
I'm gonna try to dig it open tomorrow.
wait, hold on. No, Eli. We could do that later.
If you dig inside this.
Oh, it's cracking. You guys could probably see that. No, Eli, you're a guest in my video. Oh, this is hard, so I'm just gonna end it right here because it's hard to open because it's like a plastic thing and you don't want to get like cut or anything unless you're like risking something. So actually, I might make number 2 of this and just do the. Actually, no, I'm not gonna make a number 2 because I wonder how they do like the Y, X, A, and B. But I'm gonna end the video here, so bye.